College life is hard. Balancing classes, studying. What if I told you that instead of stressing over your part-time job, you could start earning money from YouTube? And no, I'm not talking about becoming a TikTok reject.
I'm about to show you guys right now what happens when Mentos collide with the 100-liter Coca-Cola, guys.
This is legit. Let me show you how. What is YouTube automation? Sounds like a robot is going to take over, right?
Gotcha.
Not exactly. Think of it like being the director of a movie. You plan, delegate, and watch the money roll in. Now, doesn't that sound better than flipping burgers?
Bun, then patty, followed by ketchup, mustard, pickles, extra onions, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, and bun.
It means creating YouTube channels that don't need you in front of the camera, also known as faceless channels. Here are 20 niches to get you started. Tech reviews, study tips, travel guides, cooking recipes, sports highlights, relaxing music, gaming walkthroughs, fitness tips, motivation videos, finance and budgeting, celebrity gossip, life hacks, top 10 lists, animation videos, book reviews, nature documentaries, comedy skits, educational tutorials, relationship advice, and true crime stories. But wait, you can't do them all. Let me narrow it down. Study tips, because you're living it. Gaming, your dorm Wi-Fi can handle it. Fitness, because gym memberships are expensive. How to get scripts, using ChatGPT. Just ask something like, write me a script about how to make money as a college student, and boom, instant content. The trick? Add your own twist. AI won't know about that weird story from your last lecture. Here's the real truth about YouTube, the pros and cons. Passive income, you can make money while sleeping, watching your favorite TV show, or even begging your ex. Cons, it takes time, patience, and daily refreshing to see if that your 4-hour edit video blows up, only to see it at 2 views and 1 like. Waiting for views to come is like begging your ex. Why short views aren't real views. Shorts might bring you quick views, but long-form content builds real connections with your audience. Think of it like fast food versus a home-cooked meal. You want viewers to stick around, not just take a bite and leave.
We're gonna open a jar. Easy. Now you try. First, get a jar. Patrick, that's a happy meal.
Yes.
Creating emotional thumbnails. Your thumbnail is your video's handshake. Make it emotional. Use bold text, strong expressions, and contrasting colors. And remember, no clickbait. People hate that. Reading YouTube analytics. YouTube analytics is like your report card. Focus on these. Watch time. Are people watching your whole video? Click-through rate. Are your thumbnails working? Improve these, and YouTube will recommend your videos more. So, there you have it. A roadmap to start earning from YouTube as a broke college student. Follow these steps, and soon you'll be sipping Starbucks instead of instant coffee. But before you go, I'm collecting donations in the form of subscribers. Hit that button, and I'll see you in the next one.